So you fancy a burger, you're in Bangkok, you've had a lot of Thai food and you fancy a break. Where do you go? Well, the answer is very simple. Meathead. It's a smash burger place located on the lower ground floor of the Landmark. I actually ate there yesterday and I'm going there right now, so let me show you. So Meathead covers a lot of different dietary requirements, one of which is halal items, as well as those that are veggie or herbivores. They've got you covered too. Now, this isn't a sponsored post or sponsored content at all, just because I actually ate there yesterday, didn't record a thing. And I thought to myself, I'll probably pretty much order everything again apart from the giant onion rings, which was a bit too oily for my liking, but everything else was superb. I want to see if the consistency is there, so let's see. Currently the lift, heading to the lobby floor, and from there we take one floor down. Right, click on the ground floor once you're at the lobby lift, and that's what it looks like. You've got palm trees, you've got like a mini food court when you come down to this level. And we're gonna take a sharp right, and here we are. There it is, Meathead. Okay, so I've gone for a chicken option, a beef option, some fries, some sides, and a Coke float. Because I had a milkshake yesterday, but I didn't get the Coke float, and they actually do it here, so be sure to ask for it. I think the only thing left is just to show you the food. I'll tuck in, not gonna make it too boring, and we'll take it from there. So you've got the open kitchen as well. Nice little seating area. So first up on the table, we've got the Uncle Sam. Check this out. Ooh, I'm gonna cut through that. All right, let's cut through this bad boy. Oh, it cuts really well. Let me show you this. Oh my Lord. Oh yes. That is good. Oh, put that there. Oh my God. We'll get to that one in a minute. Right. Let's give this a taste. This one's got the rich, indulgent vibe. Juicy beef patty, melted cheese, and you can already see how soft that bun is. This is superb. Time for another bite. That was incredibly juicy. Need to come back to the other half in a second. But time to wash it down with a Coke float. Ooh, I've been craving this. Beautiful. Actually, does need a straw. Big dollop of beautiful, fresh, premium vanilla ice cream. Oh yes. All right, moving on. Let me show you my chicken burger, which I've had cut in two. Man, it's got it's got the coleslaw, it's got the chicken. It's only one thing to do. Oh yeah. Again, the creamy elements with the chicken. You've got your chicken, you've got the brioche bun, which is nice and fluffy again. The coleslaw really helps carry the flavor here. It's beautiful, it's fresh, it's delicious. Sometimes when you have chicken burgers, they can taste a bit stale, but this is far from that. This is perfect. It's what you'd want when you're craving a chicken burger. Again, top notch. Can't fault it at all. Let's talk sides. Up first, we got the mac and cheese. Get a proper shot of that. There you go. Right, let me show you this. This is what I had yesterday. It's proper creamy. It's beautiful. Proper comfort food. Super cheesy. Nice and smooth. Actually pairs really well with the burgers. Up next, we have the humble sweet potato fry. Right, crispy out on the outside, sweet on the inside. The sweetness of the sweet potato fry is a nice contrast to all the savory bits that you got on the table. Honestly, can't stop eating them. Finally, we have the Asian slaw. What I love about this Asian slaw, straight away, the spice hits you. It's light, it's fresh, also slightly tangy. It cuts through all the richness quite nicely. Anyway, enough of talking. You've seen what I've ordered. It's time to finish. And let's see how much of this I can actually get through right to the end. Ooh, and that's a wrap. Ooh, let's get the bill. And I'll give you my final thoughts back upstairs. Wow, that was extremely good. Right, overall, Meathead is delivering some solid burgers and great sides. And everything feels really well put together. If you're in Bangkok and you're craving a burger fix, this place is definitely worth checking out. This is the address. Do come. Until the next one.